Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
I
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good evening.
Good
अरे बहुत
evening, ma'am.
बहुत आहिस्ते आहिस्ते गुड इवनिंग आ रहा है यार, जोर से यार, थोड़ा मेरे को कम सुनाई देता है.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
Good
oh now
evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
okay. Now there's some energy I can hear. Okay, nice nice. Oh, there are still few people जिन्होंने वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया. नो मैटर, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आहिस्ते आहिस्ते आप अपने अपने वीडियोस ऑन कर लोगे, मुझे पता है. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग मोर ऑफ टाइम, एवरीबडी नोज आज का टॉपिक जेंटैंगल्स है. आई होप few people know me, few people don't know me because this is the first time I guess I am talking to the fashion people or maybe the other people जिन्होंने फैशन के साथ वर्कशॉप लिया है. इंटीरियर पीपल मोर ऑफ इनका वर्कशॉप हुआ है इंटीरियर आउटलुक में एंड अपसाइकलिंग में, so they know me. Just a short introduction. My name is Nikita Sarunkhe. I am the interior in charge for the academics. So apart from that, I am an interior designer. I have my own setup into modular kitchens and a freelancer also. So apart from that, we have one more faculty with us. Her name is Ankita Desai, who will be heading this workshop today. She is basically an interior designer. Yes, she is a freelancer. She has her own startup and also teaches in various interior designing colleges. Her, I would say, her areas of subjects, I would say graphics, then retail are the main subjects that she takes in our college. So, Ankita ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Nikita ma'am, for the introduction. Can you hear me, everyone? Am I audible?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Good. So there are few rules and regulations. Already Nikita ma'am has introduced me. Okay. So hi, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so a few rules and regulations that I would like to tell you all before we start with the lecture. Okay, so everyone is more of new to this technology and lectures being taken on the technology, right? So, सबसे पहले, anytime you like something or you're okay, you give a thumbs up. We're going to be talking in sign languages after this because every time unmuting yourself and then talking is not going to be helpful. Okay. So, okay, and you like something? Fine. If you can register this with me. Then, if you're having any doubt or say, अगर आपको ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दिया, आपको वापस repeat करवाना है, तो you can just unmute yourself or in the chat box beside you, you can just say wait or repeat. Okay? Just one word and we'll wait, we'll repeat the same thing again if you're not following it because we're going to be demonstrating a few things. Also, अगर तुम्हारे sound में वगैरह कुछ issues आते हैं तो you can put it on the side chat below that you have. Everyone clear? I need to see hand gestures, please. Yeah, the emoticon is fine, but then still. Okay, so today's topic is Zentangles. The workshop is going to be conducted in Zentangles. So are you excited? Is it new to you all, everyone? How many of you are already been doing Zentangles? So you might have heard about it. Come on, yeah, guys, answer. Yes, Akshada said yes. Akshada, you've been doing Zentangles? Megha, yes. Okay, so a lot of you have are already known to it. Okay, so okay, so it's new for a few of them. Yes, it's already been tried and tested at one time. Then okay, fine. So a lot of you, I can see a lot of excitement. I think a lot of you are new to this topic. Okay, so we'll start with our workshop today. Nikita ma'am, can you please share slide? Yes, Anushka, I can see a lot of you are new to this. Okay, once or twice. Fine. We'll do it again today. Okay, so as you can see, Zentangles, you can see various patterns, different types of strokes being done on the pattern, right? So आज तक बहुत लोगों ने ट्राई किया रहेगा, मे बी कुछ वीडियोस देखे रहेंगे, कुछ पोस्ट देखे रहेंगे लोगों, एंड देन यू माइट हैव ट्राइड ऑल ऑफ दिस. So we're going to be telling you the actual aspects of why it is being done, how it is being done, and what are the rules. There are basic rules and regulations that you might have to follow when you're doing Zentangles. Clear enough? And how is it different from any other art form that you do? Okay. Next slide, please. Okay, so what exactly Zentangle is? So you have two terms in one word, that is Zen first and then tangle in the second. So Zen, not many of you might know, it's a Japanese term which is more, which deals with the principle of dhyan, okay, dhanam or dhyan, meditation in Buddhism, okay. And when it comes to tangle, it is basically twist, jumbled up or confused situations, okay, or say confusion. Okay, so coming and getting both in combination, this is how your Zentangle is. Okay, so you're going to be creating different patterns which will also give you, say, a calmness or say a meditating feel in your mind. But apart from that, also, it's going to be a little bit of confused pattern at the same time. So as the tagline correctly says, free your mind. Okay, so as designers, हमारे दिमाग में काफी सारी चीजें चालू रहती है. We have to multitask. We have to figure out new designs. We don't repeat the same design that we've already done. We have to coordinate a lot. Okay, so it's going to be too much of things that you're going to be doing at a time. And also generally, हमारा mood में भी खराब हो जाता है. Say it is more of like art therapy that we're going to go ahead with. Okay, so if you see this tagline, you see various other patterns that have been done in this. Okay, so there's no specific rules. Am I audible now? Is this an issue with everyone? Am I not audible?
I can hear you. I don't know about
Ma'am,
this.
even I can hear you.
Ma'am, it's breaking.
I can hear you.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, it's breaking.
Your voice is
Now
cracking.
can you hear me?
Ma'am, voice is not clear, ma'am.
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, if you see the tagline, you see various patterns being done in it. So उसी से समझ गया रहेगा कि this is not bound to anything. Okay, कि it is free flowing. It is various other kinds of patterns that you can do together. And it is one of the art therapy and meditative drawings that we do, okay, to just calm ourselves. Also, we get inspirations through these kinds of drawings as a designer. Okay? So basically, many of you might have tried once or twice, but you actually don't know whether you're doodling or whether you're zentangling. Okay? So this is the difference between two. Many of you might have heard the term doodle, but you think random patterns is actually doodling, which is right. Okay, so doodling is something that is like हम लोग क्लास में बैठे हैं, लास्ट पेज हमारा पूरा भर गया है, टीचर की ड्राइंग बनाते हुए, कार्टूनिंग करते हुए, which might have a story also, which might not depict also something. It's just going on like just to kill time, to because of boredom. Okay, that is what you do when you're doodling. And second is Zentangle, which is going to be today's topic, which is more of which inspires creativity with gentle boundaries and structured patterns, as you can see down there. Am I clear, everyone? Okay, so many thumbs up. Yes. Okay, so we can move ahead. So while drawing Zentangles, you'll have to take two components in consideration. Okay, the first is the string and the second one is the tangle. Fine. Zentangle है तो tangle तो important component होना ही चाहिए, right? So string is basically the boundaries that you draw. Okay, as you can see it in the picture, तुम्हें जो double lines दिख रहे हैं जो आड़े तेड़े जा रहे हैं, that is basically that can go straight, that can be curved lines. So depending upon. Okay, so that is basically the boundaries, and then the patterns that you create inside with those loops and those connectivity, those confused patterns that you can see inside that are filled inside boundaries are your tangles. Okay, so ये दोनों का component बन के that is what we're going to be drawing today. So हम ये सीख क्यों रहे हैं? In the end we have to come to design, but हम ये drawing करके क्या मिलने वाला है? Okay, so am I audible now? Voice is breaking. Samreen, am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, okay, thank you. So basically, when it comes to interior design, if you can see it in the picture, each and everywhere you see definite forms of lines that are being happening. Okay, you see some confused structures that are being happening. You see some state of mind going in when you look at these kinds of pictures. So those are when you actually put your scribbled drawings or your Zentangle just randomly done as per when your mood is not good or just to get inspired from. That is how you put your Zentangles in design. Okay. So the first one, as you can see, she's been standing. It's a simple format, but then still it is going and forming a specific kind of design. The same thing is being done in the Baudi structure that is there beside. Okay. So you see various formations of lines that are happening. Yes, rhythm, Grimisha, right? So each and every Zentangle will have a flow of strokes in it. And it might be with a specific mindset or it might be without a specific mindset. But there are a few boundaries that you have to take in consideration, like I said. Okay. So interior wise, this is how you can convert those same Zentangles in your design. Okay. These are the few more aspects, like that was more of structure wise, but this is as per if we go in accessories. If you see Zentangles, you'll now notice that everywhere you have Zentangles. Okay. Next. Yeah, now you might have a question like how does it come with fashion? So if you see, you have various structure that comes with garment construction. Okay, so more of how the garment is to be made and all of that. You can use your Zentangle designs there. Then also for specific patterns to be created on your fabrics or even on your garments. Then your embroidery, your texture patterns. So all of these, you can create those. You might have seen a few designers might tell you कि ये शेप के लिए ऐसे टाइप के ड्रेसेस बेटर पड़ते हैं और यू हैव टू वेयर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस और यू हैव टू वेयर वर्टिकल लाइंस एज पर योर बॉडी टाइप, राइट? सो दैट इज हाउ द थॉट प्रोसेस इज एक्चुअली. Zentangle is more of an that you're creating with. Okay, the same way अगर मैंने horizontal lines पहने तो it might make me look broader. Vertical lines पहने तो it might make me look taller. Okay, so different kinds of patterns might give you a different kind of movement all over when you're looking at it. Okay, so that is how it's been incorporated in design, whether it is interior or whether it is fashion. Same way, if you see, you have garments being done, you have garment construction, like I said, the white lady that is being done, shown in the picture, that is basically garment construction, and how you can create various different forms in your dress patterns, and also with the print, as you can see it in the picture. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning all these Zentangle step by step. Then we'll go to the key benefits of what exactly have we achieved from the demonstration that would be done by Nikita ma'am. Okay. So I would request all of you to keep your materials ready. Your sketchbook, your ruler, your pencils, pens, whatever is handy. Please be prepared because now we're going to be starting all these Z angles. Drawing these.
Yes, ma'am.
Already. Okay, yes. Fine. Nita ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. Guys, I hope you have kept all your things handy along with you. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, what we will do is, before starting, I want you all to make a grid of 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Now, what does that mean? I'll just show it to you. Nikhil sir, can you just put me in spotlight? Is he there? Okay. So you can see here, I have already made a few things. You can see a grid of 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Can you see here? Is it visible to you guys? There are some boxes being made. 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Okay. So if it is clear, I just need thumbs up from you so that I can move ahead. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Once you are done with 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter ka grid, just let me know once you are done. You can unmute yourself and just speak up.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Everybody?
Nikita ma'am, how many boxes do we have to make?
You can make 10 boxes you can make.
Mine sketchbook is too small, so I'm doing only 6 boxes right now.
That's fine, that's fine. I've already told you some extra boxes. Why? Because you're just starting it. So it may happen that you might scribble up something or maybe it may go wrong. So it's okay if I've just told you some extra boxes.
मैम बॉक्स का बीच में गैप चाहिए ना?
नहीं रहेगा तो भी चलेगा dear.
Okay, ma'am.
As you can see in the picture, I have not kept any gap in between.
Okay.
All are in one row.
It's my time.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
जिसका हो गया आराम कर लो, तब तक बाकी लोग भी कर लेंगे.
So even I have made a box. I would say a square of 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter.
It's done.
It's done. Should I move ahead?
Ma'am, do we have to outline the boxes with a sketch pen or a black pen, like the way you have done it?
Guys, that is as per your choice.
Correct.
So
I am
we
using
have
a
to
micro
outline the
pen.
boxes, right?
Yes.
I have that pen.
You can use it then.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So now what we are going to do is, I am just asking you to place random dots anywhere in this square. The square which we have made. I am just placing some random dots. I hope you can see these dots which I am placing randomly. No particular method.
Ma'am, on the line or inside the box?
Inside the box. Inside the box.
With
I
pen or
will take it.
pencil?
You can do it with pencil. If you're comfortable with pen enough, it's totally fine with me. So this technique is nowhere going wrong. I'll tell you why. Because there is no restriction in this technique. ये डिजाइन ऐसा बनता है कि अगर कुछ गलत होता भी है तो भी वो सही दिखता है.
I'm unlimited.
Ma'am, how many box?
One box. See, I've made one box. One box में तुमको थोड़े बहुत dots डालने हैं, randomly placed. No particular measurement for the dots. Anywhere you can place.
Aarti, she's using Pilot pen. So you can use any micro tip pen or say any kind of proper tip, fine tip wala pen.
Ma'am, what should be the measure of tip pen?
Not necessary. See, depending. See, when we come to Zentangle, it is your own creation. So you don't have to be specifically focusing on whether it has to be thick lines or whether it has to be thin lines or whether it has to go in one specific pattern. It is just your state of mind. So depending, अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा depressed हूँ या बहुत sad हूँ, तो usually what we do, हम लोग एकदम गजल type गाने सुनते हैं, right? So this is how it is going to go.
Yeah.
अगर I'm very sad, I'm very confused, I just start drawing in lines, which is going to be too many, like basically states your state of mind. Okay, it's going to be very intricate where I draw lines. And if it
there would be one more suggestion which I will give you. Even if you're using some pen or sketch pen, see to it that you won't use any of the pen which blots, like sketch pen. Sketch pen अगर आप एक जगह पे रखो तो वो blot होता है. तो वैसा वाला पेन मत यूज करना, बिकॉज उसमें क्या होगा, इफ यू आर स्टक समवेयर, लाइक एक जगह पे मैंने मेरा टिप रख दिया, so it will blot at that particular place. I hope I'm clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's no restriction on pattern, there's no restriction on pens, there's no restriction on material that you're actually doing it or application. Fine?
Okay, is this clear now? Okay. Yes. Now, once you are done with this dots, I hope everybody is done with these dots.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
now
ma'am.
what you can do is, okay, got it. Now what you can do is, take any of the two dots, मतलब आपको कहाँ से, कोई एक कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट करना है, सेंटर से स्टार्ट करना है, डजंट मैटर, कोई भी दो डॉट्स लो. मैंने सपोज ये लिया, मैंने दो डॉट को ज्वाइन किया एक लाइन से. कैन यू सी द लाइन?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are doing is, you can see the pattern above here, which are placed with random dots. ये पैटर्न हम बनाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं अभी. How I have made it? So what you are supposed to do is, one dot, second dot, I have made a line. Clear है? लाइन के उस तरफ मैंने 3 लेयर ऑफ लाइंस बनाए हैं, एंड लाइन के इस तरफ भी मैंने 3 लेयर ऑफ लाइंस बनाए हैं.
मैं बना रही हूँ नयन.
Okay, we got it.
Okay, so one more, there are 2 rules of Zentangles. If you see, you are not supposed to use erasers in this. Okay, let me clear that first. Why?
Yeah.
Because it is more of like a free flow of design. So wherever you're stuck or wherever you go wrong, it is still going to create a pattern. What you have to do is find a solution, figure it out कि आप आगे इसके आगे कैसे उसको डिजाइन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे.
Correct.
Okay.
वही वेट कर रहे थे हम, क्या अंकिता मैम का अभी तक कुछ रूल्स नहीं आया.
Okay, you got it now.
मैम ये वापस रिपीट करो ना.
ये वापस. Okay. Now ये हुआ, एक बनाया मैंने, अब मैं इसी को दूसरे डॉट से ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ, and then I'm again making the same kind of petals.
Yeah, so this was the first rule.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
मैम वो सर्कल कैसे बनाया?
See, again I'm showing. एक डॉट
मैम आपने वो सर्कल कैसे बनाया?
That's what I'm showing here. एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक मैंने लाइन बनाया.
मैम
बोलो.
मैम आपका स्क्रीन नहीं है, पॉज है स्क्रीन.
You can't see my screen.
Nikita ma'am, it is visible. I
No, ma'am.
think it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yeah.
Now is it visible to everybody?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now I'm demonstrating again.
Okay.
एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक लेके गई मैं, फिर now there are two sides of that particular line, correct? तो मैंने एक तरफ से 3 lines, curved lines. Can you see? 3 curved lines which I have made. Same मैंने mirror किया दूसरी तरफ. 1, 2 and 3. Clear? You have to continue this with all the dots. Now if I am joining all the dots, it may happen कि मैंने ऐसे डिजाइन बनाए, कुछ मुझे छोटे पेटल्स मिल रहे हैं, कुछ बड़े मिल रहे हैं, doesn't matter. Eventually it will complete.
Sorry, Nikita ma'am, sorry. There's a question that is compulsory. Does it have to be 3 layers or less? Is it okay? So again, I would like to tell you all, there are no definite patterns that you have to create. Okay, अगर तुम्हें 2 petals बनाने हैं तो you can make the petal with 2 lines. If you want to make petal with 3 lines, you can go ahead. That is all your design composition that will come up. Like I said, अपना state of mind, अगर हम लोग ज़्यादा free है, ज़्यादा stress नहीं है हमारे यहाँ पे, we are just doing it for fun, so हमारे lines वैसे develop होते हैं. And when we are more of in stress, we are confused, we are thinking, so we tend to draw lines which are more intricate. Our patterns tend to be more intricate. Okay, that is how this is actually connected to your mind.
Is it visible to everybody?
Meenakshi, you don't have to draw any specific points. Like you can just draw random number of points and no distance is being given.
I've
You can
started
just
completing a few. So you can understand it from here. Like you just have to join the dots. Wherever you feel like, go as per the flow. There is no hard and fast rule कि मुझे यही इसी direction में लेके जाना है. इसका size इतना ही होना चाहिए. Just see to it that you're not picking up your pencil or pen, whatever you're using, and no use of erasers. Even if it is going wrong, doesn't matter. वो wrong भी right हो जाता है.
कौन सा पेन?
Priya, you're following the rules.
Hello,
right?
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
tell
is
me
this right,
this is
ma'am?
wrong or right?
Pardon? Can you just
Look this, ma'am. This is right or wrong?
1 minute, dear. May I know your name, dear? Okay.
Tiwari, ma'am.
Yes. Now see, you have made some flowers, right? But then you're
Yes,
not
ma'am.
joining those flowers. So I would suggest you join those flowers also. Like connect it to one another.
Okay,
एक
ma'am.
पेटल से दूसरे पेटल के बीच में भी एक पॉइंट बन जाता है, उसको भी कनेक्ट
ma'am.
करो.
Ma'am, please see my patterns, ma'am.
Okay, so
Right?
your name is Dia, right?
Yes,
नहीं Paulo Shah.
Okay, there are 2 people who are showing. Okay, Polemy, yes, you are going right, in right direction, I would say. You need just more precision, but yes, you are doing it in the right direction.
मैम
Yes.
मैम राइट ना मैम अभी देखो.
Okay, just show me.
Yes.
Who is this? Kaushik.
मैम my son Sridevi ma'am.
Yes, it is correct.
Yes, it is correct.
Thank you ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Say this. Ma'am, hello.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, we can see. Yes, it is correct. You can continue further. We still have time till others complete.
Ma'am,
is
can
it
you say
right?
this?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Really?
Yes,
we can hear
Monica.
you.
Hello?
Monica, it is right. I can see
Right?
your sketch. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this right?
May I know your name, dear? I'm not able
Yes,
to get it.
you're going right.
Yeah.
Yes, you're going right.
Yes,
You can
yes.
continue further.
Okay, guys, I have shared a screen here. I hope everybody is in the right direction. You have understood this, like we have just to place random dots, then we continue with the next step, the petal part, and then connecting all the points. Eventually, you'll find one design which is at the last.
Ma'am, see this.
Yes, Janvi, right.
Ma'am, see.
Ma'am, the design is actually overlapping.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
See, and
Can you see
whatever
once?
pattern you go, it is not going to go wrong. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, please see this.
Nandini, I can't see you.
Ma'am, see this.
Yes.
अलग-अलग variation बना है.
Ma'am, can you see that?
Okay, guys. Okay, understand. Now
Ma'am,
everybody has shown some or the other designs, and I would just like let you know one more thing, that every design is flowing in some other direction. Like there is no particular rule. हर एक ने अपने अपने हिसाब से flow बनाया है. In that box is a different task. If somebody doesn't want to fill that box, they just want to follow some particular pattern, that is also fine. I hope it is clear. And everybody, it's not like कि मेरा देखा नहीं है तो मेरा गलत हो जाएगा. No, it's not that way. सबका पैटर्न सही बनता है, भले आप उसको इंट्रिकेसी लेवल में बनाओ या उसको थोड़ा लूजन अप करो. Okay, so I guess everybody is clear how to draw this pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just leave this here. You can complete this after you finish with rest of the patterns also. Okay, we'll move with the next pattern. So next pattern I'll just share. Again, the 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter box you can see at the first, जिसमें 4 divisions बने हैं on each side. I hope you can see that. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So पहले एक बॉक्स सिलेक्ट करो, एक बॉक्स उसमें 4 डिविजन्स बनाओ. If 5 सेंटीमीटर है तो 5 का हाफ बनाओ, उसके बाद उसका भी और हाफ बनाओ हर एक साइड में से. You'll get these grids. So in all you'll get 16 boxes. I mean 16 divisions. उसके बाद आपको डायगनली उसको कनेक्ट करना है. Every quadrant should be diagonally connected.
Can you explain once again?
Okay, I'll start demonstrating. Wait. Nikhil sir, can you just put me? Okay, thank you. Okay, now you can see
Ashish,
here.
1 second. She's going to be showing you so you can follow the same thing.
See, I'm making a 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter ka box here. I hope everybody had made that. This box is clear with everybody? Now I am dividing each side. Like this is 5 centimeter, so I am dividing into half, which is 2.5. Then again the half of the 2.5, that is 12.5. Then from all the sides I am dividing. I have just jotted a few points on all the sides, and I am now joining these points.
Ma'am, the screen is blurred. Can't see it.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it okay?
I hope now you can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ये divisions बन गए सबके. 4 divisions on each side. Once you're done, just let me know.
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am? Ma'am, please change.
I'm
done.
Ma'am.
Okay, done. Nisha is done. Who else? Okay, Jeet is done. People who have not finished can just continue with the grids.
Yes.
Done, no?
Ma'am, done. Nikita ma'am,
Ma'am, is this okay?
Okay. Yes, yes. Dani, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So after this, what you're supposed to do is, आपको quadrants मिलेंगे. ये 4 बॉक्स का एक क्वाड्रेंट है. 1 2 3 4. करेक्ट? तो इसको मैं जो अपना मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन होता है या फिर x होता है, डायगोनली मैं उसको सिर्फ कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ. This I have to continue in all the boxes. 1 2 3 4.
Nikita ma'am, can you please repeat cause we were disconnected?
Okay. अब तुमको 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स मिलेंगे, बराबर? 1 2 3 4. Each quadrant has 4 boxes. 1 2 3 4. Correct?
Ma'am, is it 1 by 1 centimeter?
No, it's not 1 by 1 centimeter, dear, because अपना 5 सेंटीमीटर का बॉक्स था ना.
हाँ.
तो 5 सेंटीमीटर का बॉक्स अगर तुम 4 में डिवाइड करते हो तो 12.5 सेंटीमीटर का एक बॉक्स बनता है.
Okay.
I didn't get the divisions.
Divisions?
Oh.
5 सेंटीमीटर को जब भी तुम 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करोगे तो ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है, बराबर?
Yeah.
इसका हाफ कितना होगा? 2.5 सेंटीमीटर.
Yeah.
2.5 का हाफ कितना होगा? 12.5 I mean 12.5 सेंटीमीटर.
1.25.
Yes, 1.25. करेक्ट. mm में अगर मैं जा रही हूँ तो 12.5 आएगा, नहीं तो 1.5 सेंटीमीटर आएगा. If you divide it in 5 centimeters. Correct? Can you see?
Correct na, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. इसको मैंने
Dani, yes, you're right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, मेरा correct ना?
हाँ, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो मैंने अब हर बॉक्सेस में ये क्रॉस डिविजन डायगोनल लाइंस बना दिए हैं. सबने बना दिए?
Ma'am,
if you are still
is it right, ma'am?
Yes, I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it right, ma'am?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. For me, right.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. I guess maximum of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's move ahead. Nikhil sir, can you put your spotlight? Okay. Now, what you're supposed to do is, I'll just explain you with the screen. Can you see these quadrants here?
Yes,
What we
ma'am.
have done is, जो तुम्हारा राइट एंगल है, ये राइट एंगल है, उस डायरेक्शन में तुमको डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में पेटल्स बनाने हैं. Can you see here?
Yes.
So first make this petal now. Use the same triangle and then do it.
Okay, ma'am.
मतलब कौन सा है? ये वाला.
Ma'am, any specific measurement needed for it?
No, no specific measurement. Just
Okay.
don't lift your pencils or pen.
Okay.
And no use of erasers.
Ma'am, can you explain it once again, please?
Yes. For example, अगर मैं अभी ये पॉइंट उठा रही हूँ तो मैं अभी ये बॉक्स में दिखा रही हूँ. ओके? Can you see how I am drawing it? मैंने डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में पेटल्स का साइज छोटा करने लगी मैं. Is it visible? Should I show you again?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
See. मैंने पेंसिल या पेन जो भी तुम यूज करोगे उसको लिफ्ट नहीं करना है.
Actually, I want to know that how you did that division, like that square you made now. That I want to know.
Okay. When you are making 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter का ग्रिड, उसमें आपको डिविजन्स करने हैं बराबर. तो एक साइड तुम्हारा 5 सेंटीमीटर है, 5 सेंटीमीटर का हाफ अगर तुम स्केल में काउंट करो तो 2.5 सेंटीमीटर मिलता है बराबर.
Okay.
तो उसका मैंने यहाँ पर डॉट डाला, मैंने यहाँ पर डॉट डाला, मैंने यहाँ पर डाला और मैंने यहाँ पर डाला. करेक्ट. तो मुझे ये प्लस साइन मिला.
Okay.
अगेन मुझे अभी ये 4 बॉक्सेस मिले, मुझे उसमें भी हाफ डिवीजन करना है. तो मैंने वापस हर एक इसमें 1.5 सेंटीमीटर 1.5 सेंटीमीटर का वापस मैंने 1.2 सेंटीमीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर का वापस मैंने डिवीजन किया.
Okay.
I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've done 2 boxes. Can you check?
Yeah. So once you have started with this design, start filling your boxes as per your right angle.
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am?
I can't. Who is this?
Follow me, Char.
1 minute, dear. I can't see you. Okay. Yes. Yes. Correct.
Ma'am, I am done.
Correct. So people who have understood can start. Yes, correct. Right angles की तरफ से ही तुमको sketches बनाना start करना है. So I hope that is clear. Without lifting your pencils or pens. And please तुम्हारा sketchbook या paper भी मत घुमाओ. I am not turning anything. You can understand from this, your focus is very clear with your pen, with your hand, with your eye, isn't it? I hope it is clear.
Ma'am, look, this is right or wrong, ma'am?
This is Jeet, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
No, जीत. अच्छा, आपने कुछ अलग डिजाइन ट्राई करने का कोशिश किया है?
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैंने कर्व शेप बनाया है मैम.
Okay, then you can continue this with the rest of the boxes. Like whatever pattern you are following, you can continue that also. Because
ma'am, this is right, na ma'am?
Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Kaushik, this is right.
Devi, the only difference is all your points have to join at that midpoint that is coming.
Okay.
आपने triangles तो बनाए, but आपका एक triangle का end has to join the midpoint.
Okay, ma'am.
Priyanka, yes.
Okay,
Ma'am, is it right?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it right? Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Monica.
Yeah.
Yes, Monica, right.
The corner ones
Okay.
that you've done are right. The center ones are coming somewhere in like it's only triangle,
Ma'am.
triangle.
Ma'am.
Try joining it to the mid. Yes, correct, Nandini.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nandini, you're right.
Yes, Ritika, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am, is it right? Is it right, ma'am?
Your patterns are a bit different, but then you have followed the same direction. The patterns end up at one point. If I am totally fine with your patterns, there's no right or wrong in this. But if you want to do the same one which I am doing, so there's a different technique in this. You have to start from the same point and end it at the same point.
Ma'am.
Is continuing
this
in a
right?
continuing direction.
Ma'am, is this right? Hasti.
I can't see.
Ma'am.
Yes, you can say that.
Ma'am, can you see
Ma'am.
mine?
Ma'am. Ma'am, is it right?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Shubham, is that you?
Yes.
Shubham, yes.
Ma'am, is
Your
this
voice is
right?
not clear.
Shubham, can you hold it much closer to your
Look at this.
camera, please?
Ma'am, is it right?
No, the camera
Still
is
not
already.
clear.
Yeah, I can see lines. Yeah.
Ma'am, is it
Ma'am,
clear?
is it right?
I guess
Ma'am, is it right?
majority of them has got it right. Yes.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
demonstrate
Ma'am,
it
can you
one
see
more
this?
time?
Pardon?
Can you demonstrate it one more time? One of the
Yes,
students.
yes. Yes, I'll demonstrate one more time.
Ma'am, see this?
Yukta, you have made triangles. Basically, I am not like if you are following this pattern, it is totally right. But if you want to make something which is what we are doing, so that is something different. The pattern is a bit different, but whatever you have made is not wrong.
Ma'am, I have done my
Okay.
4 boxes. Please see it,
You
ma'am.
can
Ma'am.
always explore your patterns. That is the only thing I would say.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
is
have
it
done
right?
my patterns. Please,
Okay.
ma'am.
These
Nikita
are
ma'am.
triangles.
Ma'am, see this.
Yes. Correct.
Ma'am, I have done my 4 boxes, ma'am. Please see it.
Yes. Correct.
Ma'am, even mine, Darshana.
Okay. Okay, I need to, I'll just demonstrate it one more time because majority of the people, I guess they have misunderstood the pattern or maybe they have tried a new pattern. But just for the clarity, I'll express one more time.
Ma'am,
Nikhil sir, can you just put me on spotlight? Okay. Guys, just understand it one more time. For example, I am starting with one box here. This is my center point or I would say the start point or the end point. Clear? मैं यहीं से start करूंगी और यहीं पे खत्म करूंगी. मैंने ये right angle को start किया, ठीक है? फिर मैंने horizontal line बनाया, diagonal line बनाया और वहीं पर end किया. Can you see here?
yes.
And again I started from the same point.
Okay, ma'am.
And ended there. Clear? So I am not making a triangle like this, again a smaller triangle like this, again a smaller triangle like this. These are two different patterns if you can see.
Your triangles will not create a focal point. If you see the pattern that Nikita ma'am has done, you'll see one center focal point that all your triangles are meeting in.
Ma'am, it should be in one stroke, right?
Yes.
One line at a time. That is what your one stroke means.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Is it going difficult?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I guess we can move ahead with this.
Ma'am, can you see my pattern one more time?
Yeah. Sure.
Ma'am,
you can see mine.
1 minute. Where are you? Okay. I can see Grimisha, I can see Monica, I can see
mine.
Vaishnavi, okay,
Yes,
I can see
Dani,
Dani. Yes, Dani, right. Then I can see, you're welcome. I can see Kaushik, yes.
Meetal.
Yes, Vaishnavi, Janvi, Yukta, Khushi, yes. Oh wow, Khushi has done it with colors also. That's so nice.
Ma'am, see this, ma'am.
Yes, you can say that. Right,
Ma'am,
right.
see ma'am.
Yes. Very nice.
Ma'am, is it right?
Ma'am, see
Monica.
Okay. Monica, okay. Yes, I can say.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Thank you.
Kunal, yes, there are few which are petals, there are few which are triangles like an illusion. So you need to decide. It's totally fine. इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है अगर तुम नया पैटर्न ट्राई कर रहे हो तो.
Ma'am, look this.
These are trying. Okay, you have to try two different patterns. Yes, you can do that. Okay, I guess majority of the people have understood. Yes. Yes. Pooja, yes. Isha, Jidnya, yes. I can see majority of the people have done the whole box also. Okay. Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. I'll just take you to the screen. So, here you must have understood. Petals we have made. Gradually the size is decreasing of the petals and it is ending at one point. Then we have completed the whole box like this. Is it visible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the same way,
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see
Mine is
by
not
the.
done.
Okay, that's totally fine, dear.
Wait.
If you have not finished with the design.
Ma'am, only 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. But I hope
Thank
this
you,
is
ma'am.
clear with everybody. This pattern also. See, I won't
Yeah.
say these are the only patterns which we have to do. There are few more patterns. There are actually n number of patterns which you can try. But we are just explaining how exactly your mind, your brain, your eye, your hand
Ma'am,
all focuses together. Yes.
ma'am, can you see one?
May I know who's this? Sure.
Akshata.
I can't see. Okay, Akshata. Yes, I can see yours.
Ma'am? Is it right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Ma'am?
yes. Yes, Sridevi.
Ma'am,
Okay.
is this right?
Yeah, can you show it a bit more closer, please? Yeah. Okay. So the spacing is what you've experimented with?
Yeah, I guess.
Like one continuous line and then going it inwards, right?
Yeah.
Will do.
Okay.
Nikita, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एक बार बताओ मैम
Please. Yeah, correct.
मैम एक बार
Yeah,
बताओ
you're right.
कैसा बनाना
Pardon?
एक बार बताओ ना वो पैटर्न कैसा बनाना
Okay, you're still struggling with the pattern?
यस मैम
Okay, I'll just repeat it once again. It's not that difficult. Nikhil sir, can you just put me on spotlight?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show me the first pattern? Actually, I was not there.
Okay. Okay, just a moment. Can you just share? Okay, thank you, Nikhil sir. Now, if you can see, right now I'll just continue with this first, and then I'll go back to this.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope this is clear.
Yeah.
यहाँ पर जो तुमको बॉक्स मिल रहा है, हमने उसमें डिविजन्स किए, तो एवरीवेयर यू कैन सी अ राइट एंगल. So whichever way you can see the right angle, you just have to follow the same direction. So I can see a right angle here. So I'm following the direction like this. Ended here. Again started from here. Just decreasing. Ended again here. Again started and ended. This is the pattern how you get. Then from the next triangle, started from the same point, ended at the same point. Started from the same point, again ended at the same point, without lifting my pen or pencil, or maybe without using eraser. I hope it is clear. Sridevi, are you getting it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Seher, I guess you were having some struggle with this pattern, initial one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I wasn't there.
Okay. Okay, Seher, it's not that difficult. यहाँ पर क्या है, कोई भी नॉर्मल पॉइंट डाले हैं, स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाया है, दो पॉइंट्स को कनेक्ट करने के लिए, एंड देन ये 3 कर्व लाइन बनाया मैंने दोनों तरफ.
Okay.
और
Means we need to make random dots.
Yes, this is very random. Go as per your mind where it takes you. So you can see in the end you'll find some design like this.
Okay.
Now what we made, you'll find design like this.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just share the screen to you. The next. Yes.
Ma'am.
Look this.
I can't see.
It's Yusra, Yusuf.
నానే చేస్తున్నాడు
అన్నాడు నీ కాల్ అయిపోయాక అలాగే ఎందుకు
Guys, there's a lot of disturbance, so please can you put yourself on mute? Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
ma'am
Who's this?
Ma'am, I'm Jia.
Seher. Yes, Seher.
ma'am that .1 the random dot so ma'am first we'll take 2 dots and then do we have to join all those 1 dots with the second one?
You can. Why not? See, in the end, whatever dots you are making, those are all random. So even if I'm starting here, मैंने यहाँ पर एक वो petal बना दिया, फिर मुझे अगर ये दोनों को join करना मैं कर सकती हूँ ना?
Okay.
फिर मुझे यहाँ से इसको join करना मैंने कर दिया.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is right.
Ma'am, it is right.
Guys, please hold it on your screen so that we can see, like some near your camera.
Yeah, Jeet, yes. Yusuf, okay, that is also right. Rucha, yes.
Monica, yes, you're going correct.
Yes. Very nice.
Thank you,
Okay, I guess.
Yes, Dina, yes. Follow me. Yes.
Users iPhone, I can see. आपका जो पहला पैटर्न है, it is having lot of like, but I guess आप उसको complete करोगे बाद में. Second pattern is also right. Follow me, yes. Yeah, yes. Prerna, it's a bit okay. Dani, yes. Okay. So I'll just share the screen now, and we'll move ahead. Okay. I would say pattern is not that difficult. There are actually few more patterns. This is just the part of the previous अभी जो हमने किया उसके जैसा ही है. Again, you have to play with triangles. हमने पहले right angle में खेला, अभी हम acute angles में खेलेंगे basically. It's the only difference. So I'll just demonstrate this to you. You don't have to make this. मैं इसमें इसके बाद और एक चीज तुमको बता दूंगी, which is more difficult, which may add lot of patience. तो इसके जैसा ही division है. So I'll just demonstrate that to you. Okay. So here, what we can do is.
Nikita ma'am, spotlight.
Nikhil sir, can you just put me on spotlight? Yeah, thank you. So here you can see I am making a square again. This square is done. Okay. अब इसको मैंने divide किया है वापस 4 divisions में. The divisions are very clear to everybody, I guess now. बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. इसको divide किया. Clear? अब इसको मैं बाकी 4 में भी divide कर रही हूँ. Done? इसके बाद आई होप यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको.
Thumbs up, please. Oh, that's hand gestures will do. You don't have to put it.
Yeah. So,
ma'am, can you tell the divisions once again?
Divisions are the same dear. जो हमने पहले किया वही है. कुछ difference नहीं है. 5 सेंटीमीटर का बॉक्स है. Division same है.
Okay.
5 को डिवाइड करोगे तो 2.5 का आएगा. 2.5 को डिवाइड करोगे तो 1.25 का आएगा. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस जो तुमको हर जगह में करना है. ठीक है. अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, इसको ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ ये पॉइंट्स को. लाइक माउंटेन्स, हाउ यू मेक माउंटेन्स. बचपन में ड्राइंग बनाया रहेगा ना सबने.
So it's
समझ में आया?
basically the play of lines that you're taking care of in each and every design that we have done till now. And also the difficulty level, if you see, if you have noticed, हर एक के हिसाब से वो बढ़ती जा रही है. And intricacy level also. The spacing between those two lines is changing. And also the direction that you're drawing the lines in.
पहले हमने बेसिक ग्रिड्स बनाए थे, just the boxes. Now you can see lot of kites here. अब इसके बाद कुछ ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. You just have to play with the kites basically. Now just pay attention. मैं इस पॉइंट से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. I am making an acute angle without lifting my pen. अब मैं थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रख रही हूँ ताकि तुमको समझ में आए. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing
Yes,
difficult. Same goes in the opposite direction.
Guys, pay attention. वहाँ पे जो points है, जहाँ पे start हो रहा है, वहाँ से in a diagonal you have to get it in the center line and then continue on the other side again. Start point एक ही है.
I hope it is clear. मैंने बहुत डिस्टेंस रख के दिखाया है अभी. You can understand from these. Is it going difficult for you?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please show it again?
Yeah, see. If you can see now, you can see this kite here. I'm just demonstrating here. I've just taken this perpendicular lines here. ठीक है? एक start point है, एक end point है. ठीक है? Start point से मैंने start किया. I have made an acute angle triangle. Same मैंने repeat किया. And I get multiple triangles. Same goes in the opposite direction. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मेरा डिजाइन अपने आप फॉर्म हो रहा है. Now you can relate the previous square which I have made here and here. तो ये पूरा एक डिजाइन ही बना है.
Ma'am, I'm going right.
May I know who's this?
Yeah.
Okay, Nisha. Then Diya.
Diya, you're going right. Diya, can you show it one more time, please?
Diya, your triangle is not starting at the same point and ending at the end point. The start point and end point is one and the same. For example, if I am starting it here, Nikhil sir, can you just show it? Nikhil sir, spotlight please. Okay, this is my start point and this is my end point. तो मैंने start किया और यहीं पर end किया. Again, वहीं से मैंने start किया और वहीं पर मैंने end किया. Start and end एक ही जगह पर है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it okay? Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, Anushka, yes. Yes, you can fill the in-between boxes also later. ओके
मैम मैम इज इट ओके मैम?
और कौन है?
मैम follow me, is it okay?
Yes. Follow me. I hope you're not picking up your pencil.
Ma'am, right na ma'am?
Up your pencil.
Polymate, it has to be continuous lines. You can't try like breaking the lines. It has to be one go.
Oh.
Okay. So try doing
Okay,
that.
ma'am.
This is the first time that you're drawing, so it's okay. But then try doing
Ma'am.
it without lifting the pencil up.
Ma'am?
Yes, Kunal, correct. Kunal, again, जो बाजू के लाइंस है ना वो ट्रायंगल ठीक है, पर उसके बाजू में जो लाइंस है अगेन नहीं, हाँ एग्जैक्टली
yes,
वो
yes,
अपने
वही।
स्पेसिंग रखे हैं, तो इट हैज टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट. ओके
Ma'am, it is right na ma'am?
এই তোকে না বললাম আমাকে একটু জামা দে।
श्रीदेवी.
Yes.
Ma'am,
is it right? Kaushik, yes.
আমাকে গেঞ্জিটা দিয়ে যা না, ঘরে দিয়ে রেখেছি।
Nisha, yes, you're going right.
না রে বাবা,
is this right?
নেই বললাম।
Ma'am?
I can see.
Yes.
Yes, right. गीता, आपका जो
Ma'am, is this right?
ट्रायंगल है, कॉर्नर वाला ट्रायंगल थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया है.
Ma'am, tell me, is this right, ma'am?
Okay, yes, this is right. This is right.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
जीत, आपका लाइंस थोड़ा सा क्रुकेड जा रहा है. प्लीज ट्राई एंड मेक स्ट्रेट लाइंस इफ यू कैन.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Don't use scale. Don't use scale, huh, Jeet?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it right?
May I know who's this?
Ma'am, Rucha.
Ma'am, Yusra, Yusuf.
Okay,
Yes,
Rucha.
Ruja, you're right.
Ma'am, it's right.
Yes. Yishu, yes.
Ma'am, is this right?
Yes. Yes, this is nice. Megha, this is nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this is right.
This is who? Okay, Anushka. Yes. Yes, you can. Yes, that's right.
Ma'am, this is right.
Yes, yes. So now I guess majority of the people have understood. This wasn't that difficult because पहले वाला हम लोगों ने बहुत practice कर लिया था, समझ गया था, correct? So here you got these patterns. I hope everybody is understanding these patterns here.
Ma'am, is this right?
Yes, understand ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Ikra here, is this right?
Ma'am.
Okay. Ikra, I can't see anything.
Ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I see it now?
It is right.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
yeah.
Ma'am, mine.
Yes, Jia.
Yes. Seher, yes.
Yes, Jia, you're right. Can you take it a little more closer so that I can see the other patterns? Okay, yeah. Good.
Cool. Okay. So I guess we can move ahead.
Ma'am, is it right?
थोड़ा सा closer, please.
Vaishnavi, yes, this is right. It's looking nice.
Thank you.
We are not able to see anything. Muskan, yes, correct. Pooja, camera के सामने.
Yes.
Your pattern is not seen.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, Nandini, you're going right.
Anjali.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Anjali, right.
Yes, Anjali, right.
Ma'am, majority of them have understood and cleared with the thought of how divisions work, and just manipulating some part of it gives you another design. Shall I increase some intricacy? Can you make? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो चलो थोड़ा और इंट्रिकेसी बढ़ाते हैं, एक ऐसा डिजाइन बनाते हैं. आई होप तुम उसको बना पाते हो कि नहीं, देखते चलो.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how will we do the corners?
Corners. 1 minute
Of
here.
the of the previous one.
See this. आपका यहाँ तक हो चुका है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो जब भी तुम ये बनाते हो तो तुमको दिख रहा है ये सारे रेडिएटिंग है, एक ही पॉइंट से बन रहा है. Can you see? Now can you understand? If you see this half तो तुमको ऐसा ही दिखेगा ना ये.
मैम बट उसके ऊपर वाला कैसे करेंगे? Only the one-sided one, the corners one.
These, no?
एक point है, if you see this is the only point that you have and उससे सारे lines जा रहे हैं. तो same way यहाँ पे if you
can
see
lift the pen.
Yeah, that is fine because it is only that portion that you're filling. Now your boundary is only that much. So basically you have to fill in the boundary inside.
Okay.
Right? आपका बाउंड्री कम हो गया है तो देन उस हिसाब से आप पेन लिफ्ट कर सकते हो, बट अगर आपका बाउंड्री बड़ा है तो देन यू हैव टू डू इट इन अ कंटिन्यूअस मैनर.
Okay ma'am.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, let's move to the intricate one. Now there are two patterns in this.
देखिए चक्कर आ रहे होंगे. हिप्नोटाइज हो रहे हो कि नहीं?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, hypnotize नहीं हो रहे हो? Just keep looking at the pattern. Just keep looking at the pattern and you'll see some kind of movement happening. वो still है, but फिर भी आपका eye movement उतना घूम रहा है वो lines के साथ. That is what design does.
Yes.
Okay. So now we'll try doing this.
Okay. So I'll just demonstrate it to you first, how exactly we are going to do this. First box is having one action design. So I'll show you that first, okay? Okay. So I'll just focus it on my paper. Okay. I've already made one here. This is one direction वाला. अगर तुम इसमें देखोगे तो एक में कम इंट्रिकेशन है, मैंने बहुत लूज लाइंस रखे हैं, दूर दूर है, इसमें दूर है, इसमें दूर है, पर ये दोनों में थोड़े नजदीक रखे हैं मैंने. I hope everybody can see that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do is again 5 centimeter का square and I am dividing that in 4 parts. That is, I'll be getting 4 quadrants. Done? This is what I have to do first. Is everybody done with this? If not,
done.
Wait. Rest of them?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, so shall I move ahead?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब everybody, I want everybody to pay attention. यहाँ पर ऐसा हो सकता है तुम miss out कर जाओ. So I want everybody to pay attention. Okay? Okay. Everybody can see my hand. Everybody can see the tip. How I am going, just pay attention with the tip. I am starting at one point. This direction will be followed in all the 4 squares. ठीक है? ये पहला point है. And I am just follow the line which I am taking ahead. Can you see? मैंने एक लाइन बनाया, एक लाइन यहाँ बनाया, एक ऐसे, समझ में आ रहा है? And I am just continuing this process. Did you get this?
They look surprised. They look confused. They look surprised. That is what is your state of mind right now. That is what your lines are depicting.
Okay, do it again. We'll do it again, okay? Pay attention again. Please. Just follow my hand, follow the tip of my pen, how exactly it is following what step. मैंने एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट रखा, ये डायरेक्शन सारे बॉक्सेस में सेम रहेगा। ये मेरा
Okay.
स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, ये मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, ये मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, ये मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, ठीक है। सो यहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया, रैंडमली आई एम प्लेसिंग वन लाइन, बट वो लाइन मेरे आउटर लाइन पे स्टॉप हो रही है। Then again it follows here and it's stopping here. Can you see?
गाइस पहले देख लो, पहले पूरा देख लो मैम
Then
कैसे
यहाँ
बना रही
पर and then यहाँ पर ऐसे तुमको कंटिन्यू करना है।
So if you notice, it is not exactly. No.
We can't.
At one stroke, yes. So one stroke is basically a one line. If you do that, then you can lift.
See,
Okay.
I am continuing it in one
For the
stroke.
rest, we can't.
See, for example, अब मैंने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया तो मैंने ये पेन को उठाया नहीं है। I am just going on and on.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is more of practice that you will get through.
Ma'am, can you see this?
One go में नहीं आएगा, तो धीरे धीरे try करो.
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am?
I can't.
Can you show it? Yes, follow me. Yes, it is right. You've tried one which is with much space. Try one which is a little bit more intricate.
Ma'am, is it right?
Ma'am, can you see this?
Yes, you're going right. Fill in the other side also. There can be one more square that you can do in the end.
Ma'am, is it right?
Yes.
Ma'am, is this right?
Ma'am, is this right?
Can you hold it a little more closer?
Ma'am, this okay?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, is this right?
Ma'am, can you
Radhika,
see
yes,
this?
you're going right. Radhika,
Ma'am, is
yes.
this right?
Ma'am, you can see this.
Ma'am,
Harsha, a little more straight lines, a little more crisp lines, like more of like थोड़ा सा ना वो गोल घूम रहे हैं.
Ma'am,
You have to connect this.
ma'am, is this right?
Ma'am, can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Rishi, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, please see this.
Grimisha, yes,
Yes.
right.
Grimisha, yes.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Ma'am, Ikra.
Diya, can you just hold it more
Yes,
closer?
Divya, you're going right.
Diya, yes.
Diya, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Who is this?
Yes, you're going right, Akshita.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Can you see your lines a bit?
Ma'am, please explain again.
Is it far
I'll
or is
just
it close?
Should I need to like, should I explain again?
Guys, 1 second. Please mute yourself first. Yeah, now Nikita ma'am will demonstrate it again. Okay, just check with yourself whether it is going right or wrong. Okay.
Spotlight, please.
Nikhil sir, spotlight.
Okay. I have again made a few more. I hope it is visible to everybody.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So now you can understand from here. एक पॉइंट मैंने लिया, ठीक है, ये एक पॉइंट को इस लाइन पे ज्वाइन किया. Has everybody done this?
Yes.
Okay. अब जहां पर मैंने ज्वाइन किया था वहीं से मैंने वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में लाइन लेके ऊपर वाले लाइन को ज्वाइन किया. Has everybody done this?
Yeah, ma'am.
अब यहाँ से can you see this? Same process. Your line should be ending at one particular point. यहाँ तक हुआ सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके अब यहाँ से जो लाइन मैंने अभी खींचा था, जो लाइन मैंने अभी ड्रॉ किया था, वहां पर मैंने एंड किया। कैन यू सी? ये लाइन पे मैंने लास्ट लाइन को एंड किया। इज इट विजिबल टू एवरीबडी? ये लास्ट लाइन मेरे फर्स्ट लाइन पे एंड हुई है। सबका यहाँ तक हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the same step follows again. इस पॉइंट से जहां पर मैंने अभी एंड किया ये लास्ट लाइन, उस पॉइंट से मेरे सेकेंड लाइन पे मेरा ये लाइन एंड होगा। जो मैंने सेकेंड लाइन ये ड्रॉ किया था वहां पर मेरा ये लाइन एंड हुआ। शुड आई कंटिन्यू अहेड? यहाँ तक हुआ सबका? यहाँ से सेम प्रोसेस। कैन यू सी दिस लाइन? मेरे थर्ड लाइन पे एंड हुआ है। सेम कंटिन्यूस। क्या ये सब कर पा रहे हैं? अभी भी डाउट आ रहा है? If not, just then unmute yourself and let me know.
Yes, Nisha, you're right. Muskan, yes.
Ma'am, it's right.
Pooja, yes. Pooja, yes.
Is this
Is it right?
Is this right?
Yes, yes, you're going right.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, is this right?
Yes, Anjali.
This one?
Yes, I can see you. Yes, Anjali, you're right.
Ma'am.
I guess now people are able to do it. Most of you at least.
Yeah, now I think most of you all are getting hold of it.
Now
Yes,
more of-
Anjali. Yes,
Ma'am,
Arya, you're right.
I guess
Okay,
the
ma'am.
majority of them
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Arya, yes, you've got right.
Okay.
Ma'am, is this right?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ikra here. Can you see this?
Ma'am, is this right?
Yes.
Guys, just hold it near to your cameras. We ourselves will call out your name.
Ma'am, is this right?
Yes, Priya, yes, you're right.
Yes.
Shilpa,
Is this
yes.
right?
Yes. Yes, Shilpa.
Shilpa, the second one. Can you show it again?
Ma'am, is this
He's
right?
right.
Yes,
He's
Jeet,
right.
you're right.
Ma'am, is this right?
Very nice.
प्रियंका here, ये right है?
हाँ. Shilpa, your second one that you've done, थोड़ा सा और अंदर तक continue करो. In the center. वो gap दिख रहा है? हाँ.
Yes.
So try continuing it further more. ताकि
The
वो
completed
और
one is
थोड़ा,
nice.
yeah, the completed one is good.
Nikita, ma'am, is this right?
Yes.
Is this right?
This is who?
Monica.
Okay, Ritika. Okay, Monica. Monica, I can't see your screen more clearly. Can you just hold it a bit?
Ma'am.
Yes, Monica. Yes. Now see, now you can understand.
Okay.
अभी ये थोड़े लाइन ना बहुत दूर दूर है. Next अभी तुम ट्राई करो उसको और थोड़ा नजदीक नजदीक लेके ट्राई करो.
Ma'am, ये right है, ma'am.
Ritika, yes, you're right. Anushka, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, ये right है?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, right. The last one which you have made is right.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Priyanka, you're right.
Priyanka, you're right.
Say this, ma'am.
Who is this? Okay.
Yes, Yukta, you're
युक्ता,
going right.
आपका जो एक लास्ट वाला एक बना है मेरे हिसाब से वो अच्छा है. बाकी सब I guess ट्रायल थे. Yes, this is right. This, yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, see this?
Akshata, yes, you're going right.
Yes, Akshata, right.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, see this?
Who else?
Nimisha here.
Janvi, yes. Janvi, it is
Ma'am.
correct. You can go ahead.
Yes, Janvi, correct.
Ma'am, see this.
Right.
Oh wow, colors I can see. This is so nice.
Parimisha, nice.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Beautiful,
Seher,
beautiful.
Ma'am.
mine.
Yes,
Very
Seher,
nice,
you're doing
Seher.
it very nicely.
I guess now people are. Yes.
ये right है?
हाँ बराबर है
Yes,
प्रियंका.
Priyanka, you're right.
Ma'am.
किसने बुलाया?
Ma'am दिया.
Okay, दिया. थोड़ा proportion wise.
ये आपने लास्ट वाला कौन सा बनाया है? आप सिर्फ पॉइंट आउट कर लेंगे प्लीज. आई थिंक योर फर्स्ट उसका डायगोनल में जो है ना वो वाला करेक्ट है.
Yes, the second one.
Okay ma'am.
आपने जो डायगोनल ये साइड बनाया ना, जस्ट लुक एट माय हैंड, जो ये साइड बनाया है, दैट इज द करेक्ट वन.
Ma'am,
ओके,
is it
फॉलो
okay,
दैट.
ma'am?
Yes, follow me. Yes, it is right. Yes, Himali.
कृषि ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है.
Yes, you're going right.
कृषि वाला जो
Himali,
है
which
बहुत
is the
अच्छा
first,
है.
the last one that you've made?
See this. This is
Oh,
very
nice.
Ma'am.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
You
Very
got
nice,
the
very
technique.
nice.
You've already created it. Good.
Yeah. Very nice.
Ma'am, is this right?
Yes, you're going right. You can make try making it a little more intricate next time.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
देखो
So
हमारी
now I think we can move ahead with the next one.
So first one we have done. Now the second one. Now can you read this drawing? अब समझ में आ रहा है, रीड करने आ रहा है कैसे हमने किया पहला वाला और दूसरा वाला तुमको समझ में आ रहा है अब कैसे करना
Yes,
है?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you try it yourself?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Just see the just follow the arrow directions. See where your arrows are starting from.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I correct? Ma'am.
Yes.
What?
ये कौन है? जिया. Is that you, जिया?
Yes ma'am.
जिया आपका स्क्रीन पे थोड़ा लेके आ सकते, I mean कैमरा के पास लेके आ जाओगे? क्लियर नहीं है.
Incomplete है ma'am.
Okay, I still can't see that.
Oh yeah, she's going right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, yes, you can continue further. Complete the whole box, so you'll see the same pattern. गाइस, तो तुम लोगों ने देखा रहेगा कभी भी हिप्नोटाइज करने के लिए ऐसे कुछ पैटर्न्स यूज करते हैं, राइट? दैट calms your brain and also
Yes, ma'am.
puts you to sleep. Also puts you to sleep.
No ma'am.
Ma'am, what about this one?
Yes, Ikra, you're going right.
Okay, thank you.
Pooja, yes. Very nice. She has completed all the boxes also. Very nice.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't able to see her. Guys, are you enjoying?
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. बहुत.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
So are you going to try a few more different patterns
By yourself.
by yourself?
Yes ma'am.
These are not the only
Sure,
patterns,
ma'am.
guys. आप और बहुत सारे से पैटर्न्स एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट अ कंपल्शन कि एक ही पैटर्न फॉलो होना चाहिए. यू कैन ऐड n number of patterns in that. So It's more of like आप कोई भी composition लो, कोई भी proportion में लो, there's no right or wrong in this. It can be geometrical, it can be floral, it can be any of the patterns altogether. We have just told you and taught you a few so that it would be clear about the techniques कि आप उसको कैसे कर सकते हो.
एंड ऐसा भी है कि बहुत बार हम लोगों ने ये सब इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा है, फेसबुक पे देखा है, मे बी वॉलपेपर्स पे देखा है, बट देख के कंफ्यूजन होता है कि कौन सी लाइन कहाँ पे जा रही है, समझ में ही नहीं आता कौन सी शुरुआत है, कौन सी खत्म, कौन सी एंड, राइट? सो वी थॉट वील एक्सरसाइज मोर ऑफ ऑन दिस and then teach you all so that you can create different other patterns.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Yes, Tani.
Can you able to see this?
Yes, we can see. Yes, you're going right. You can complete the other side of the box.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I guess there was one जिसने ये second pattern जो अभी आप सब लोग कर रहे हो वो किया था. Who was that, Ankita ma'am? Do you remember?
Ma'am.
Krishi or somebody?
Yeah, Krishi has already finished the other one.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes, Priyanka. Priyanka थोड़ा सा ऊपर पकड़ोगे. हाँ. Yeah. Right. Right. You can continue with the next.
Ma'am.
आप
Yes.
प्लीज मैम आप सेकंड पैटर्न ड्रॉ करके एक बार दिखा सकते हैं?
Pardon?
Yes, Seher, you're going right. थोड़ा सा नीचे पकड़ेंगे आप प्लीज. थोड़ा नीचे. हाँ. Right. Yes. थोड़ा सा ना.
Yes. Pooja, yes.
Yes, Prerna.
मैम आप सेकंड पैटर्न ड्रॉ करके दिखा सकते हैं?
Prerna, you're supposed to try it once. After a few of them have already tried, now we'll demonstrate it for you so that you can learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is just kind of a trick that if you've understood, just give it a try. बाजू में जो diagram है ना, arrow wise, just try following that.
It is the same diagram. You just have to follow the directions which the arrows are showing in a particular box.
Ma'am. Diya, can you show it near to your camera, please? It's a little on side. Yes, correct. You can try the next pattern now. Muskan, yes, you're going right. If you can see, थोड़ा proportion change हो गया है, तो next time see to it that जो line आप draw कर रहे हो ना, वो दोनों side पे same हो. जो gap आप बीच में रखने वाले हो दो lines के, वो same रखो. Yes, Pooja, you're going right. Nice.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Nikita ma'am.
Anjali, yes.
Shall I demonstrate if anybody is still stuck with this part?
Yes, Radhika, you're going right. Nice.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Yes, Anjali.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you're going right.
Okay, so now Nikita ma'am is again demonstrating. So just have a look.
Okay. Okay, guys. Just understand now. The first box which was very clear, जो हमने पहले ट्रिक में किया था, वही direction follow किया है. Correct? The next box will have another direction. The same point, but the direction has been changed. Can you see?
Also, the technique or the process that was there of drawing the lines is the same. बस यहाँ पे direction change हो गया है. हर एक start line का.
I would also like to add in this, आप जितना उसको loose रखोगे ना, वो उतना intricate नहीं दिखेगा. अब ये कैसा है, इसके बराबर, like जो मैंने पहला जितना loose रखा था, जितना distance रखा था, इसलिए मैंने इधर भी उतना ही distance रखा है. इसलिए वो समझ में आ रहा है. Like you can see the patterns which have been made here. Can you see these patterns? जो हमको डिजाइन में दिख रहे थे, है ना? Now, the next part. The direction is changing. The pattern remains the same, only the direction is changing. So the change of direction is also giving you a different design. I hope you can understand from this.
Yes, ma'am.
You must have realized that your concentration on your hand or with your eyes, like it's just you're not thinking of something else. You're just concentrating on these lines to create that particular pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am, how will we take the second point? Like it's not getting connected, mine one.
Okay. I'll just make you understand again.
Yes, Anusha, you're right. You've got it.
Ma'am, mine.
Yes, Grimisha, correct.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes, Vaishnavi, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So you have 4 boxes or the 4 squares here. Yes, Susan?
Ma'am, these 3 are correct and this one is wrong, right?
Yeah, the last one that you've done,
This one, right?
this one is wrong, right?
Yeah, I did these 3.
Yeah, so that is going right. So now you've got the hold on it. So Nikita ma'am
Okay.
is demonstrating the other pattern. So just have a look.
See, the first square was having the same pattern or the same direction which we have used in the first design. Okay, so it starts from here, it ends at one line,
Yeah.
then again it starts, it ends, starts and ends. So this goes on and it is creating an illusion. इसका डायरेक्शन सबको क्लियर है? हमने बहुत बार इसको बनाया है, ठीक है? ये डायरेक्शन क्लियर हो गया है. सेकंड वाले का डायरेक्शन इधर नहीं खत्म होता है. सेकंड वाले का डायरेक्शन ऊपर ऊपर खत्म होता है. तो कैन यू सी, इस तरह से मैंने लाइन बनाया. I hope it is visible for everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
दो डायरेक्शन समझ में आए? So now you can see this. Now we'll go for the third direction. Starting point यहीं से है. So जो हमने फर्स्ट बॉक्स में किया वही हम थर्ड बॉक्स में कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Yes, Dani. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
I hope third box is also clear. Third square सबको clear हो गया है. Direction first और third का same है.
Ma'am, see this?
Yes, Grimisha, yes, you've got it right.
Oh
Ma'am,
wow,
it's fun.
show me your page, Grimisha, properly. There is so many colors. It's looking so nice.
Yeah, so you can experiment with different colors, different patterns.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
very
actually
nice.
it's fun. It's really nice.
Yeah, so
Very
that's
nice.
more of like an art therapy which would help you understand your design or get inspiration for your design ideas also.
Okay. So now let's move to the fourth square. So the start point remains here and we are moving in the opposite direction now.
Ma'am, what do we call this pattern?
All these are types of Zentangles.
No, but like we did 4 dimensions, 2 dimensions. So what do we call this thing?
No, it is not actually dimension. It is just
Dimension,
basically
no,
your lines that you are trying to draw. So that you drew it only 2 dimensions, like this and this. That is acute angle. The earlier one was in all the 4 directions. So that is how we have named it. Otherwise, it is usually called as Zentangles or as Zentangle art.
मैम
yes
मैम जैसे हम लोग नेट पे अगर कोई और डिजाइन देखते हैं तो अगर हमें उसकी डायरेक्शन पता करनी है कि वो कौन से डायरेक्शन से बना के है तो फिर कैसे पता करेंगे?
You can just observe the lines. जैसे कि अभी आपको एक बेसिक आइडिया पता चल गया है कि वो कैसे डायरेक्शन में घूमता है. Okay, so if you observe your pattern properly and try figuring out those lines, it is more of repetition that happens.
Okay ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope everybody has got.
ये वाले जो है that is basic. So any kind of design that is going to be there further done is going to be somewhere in the same basics. अभी ये देखा, if you see this pattern, it is the same idea that you drew with 4 lines. You just have to draw it with 3 lines. Triangle में, वो square में था, ये triangle में बनता है. Clear enough?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you a few more patterns.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the one which Ankita ma'am explained just, that first initially we did it with 4 sides. Now this is with 3 sides.
Yes.
So in the end you'll find something like this, a pattern like this. There are few more. Very simple to understand. Just with one single dot, they have just divided in 4 lines, curved lines, which are further divided into 8, which forms a petal, and then the internal radiations in that. In the end, you can find some designs like this. So there's no hard and fast rule that it has to be in a square, it has to be in a rectangle, it has to be in the same pattern which you have started. It can change.
It is just that you have to decide your boundaries and accordingly start filling it with your ideas.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one?
Yes. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. You can try this ahead later on.
And yeah,
you can try rather more designs. Yeah, you can tag us also. Shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Few more patterns. Simpler patterns but give you some different designs. It's just that you just need to understand the technique of how you have to draw it.
And it is not necessary, even you can create your own technique. It doesn't have to be bound to any limitations. It has to go in this direction, then only you achieve a design. Like I said, if you see this, any wrong line can also give you a different kind of pattern. Maybe something that you have not even expected might come as your design. Okay, so that is what your Zentangle does. एक बार आप सोच के शायद करने जाओ तो भी शायद वो नहीं बने, बट 1-2 लाइन ऐसी कुछ रैंडमली बना दिए एंड उसी को कंटिन्यू करने लग गए तो वो भी आपको एक नया पैटर्न दे सकता है, नया डिजाइन दे सकता है. ओके
So you can see here there are few more patterns forming the same illusions. Now there are different patterns. Not necessary you need to follow the same thing.
Okay, so what do we take away from our workshop that we have done
for like past 2 hours. All of you might have noticed these few key points, right? When you were doing your hand and eye coordination was there, like you were continuously following your hand movement, right? Next, maybe तुम लोग थोड़े गुस्से में बैठ गए थे या शायद तुम्हें end moment पे there are times when you have lot of stress, you have a lot of things going on around you and you're not able to concentrate. And maybe उस हिसाब से तुम्हें गुस्सा भी आ रहा है. So there are few things like जैसे कि मुन्ना भाई में तुम लोगों ने देखा रहेगा वो the doctor, he actually laughs out on anger, right? So you can just randomly take a book, a pen, and then start drawing those lines and dream out your anger. The more anger, the more intricate lines you get. ठीक है? तो जितना गुस्सा रहेगा उतना ज्यादा तुम लोग उसको और इंट्रिकेट बनाने में बनाओगे और दैट इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ नाइस डिजाइन. सो इट विल गिव यू रिलैक्सेशन, थोड़ा सा काम हो जाओगे तुम लोग जब ये नाउ आल्सो व्हेन यू माइट हैव डन द होल प्रोसेस यू माइट हैव रियलाइज्ड कि मे बी इट इज अ लिटिल सूदिंग, थोड़ा शांत हो गया है दिमाग ये बनाते बनाते, राइट? मेनी ऑफ यू माइट हैव नोटिस्ड दीस साइंस दैट यू एक्चुअली पुट इन. So again self-esteem, like I said, बहुत जन को ऐसा लगा रहेगा कि अरे ये ज़ेंटैंगल है, हम क्रिएटिव नहीं है. Then maybe बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है कि I'm not drawn, I'm not good at sketching. But then ये बनाते बनाते तुम्हें अपने आप में एक खूबी पता चल गई है कि हाँ भाई हम कुछ बना सकते हैं, right? All of you. You might have understood
Yes,
now you're confident enough that I can make something out of lines in the end. So that is how your self-esteem is boosted. Again, if you see your concentration levels, when you were drawing, you were constantly, you didn't have any other thought. सिर्फ यही पे तुम लोग ने concentration किया, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Concentration increased. Then you created beautiful art forms. See, everyone has their own pattern, everyone had their own perspective. तो सब लोग ने अपने अपने कुछ कुछ डिजाइन्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, कुछ हम लोग ने बताया भी बनाया, but apart from that you started experimenting on your own also, right? So I would suggest you all to keep continuing all of these experiments that you're doing. Design has no such boundaries. It is not wrong, it is not right. You just have to think on how good you can make it feel. Okay? Then again, your motor skills have been developing, like multitasking जो तुम लोग कर रहे थे यहाँ पे ध्यान देना. Then again, doing the line work, understanding which point it has to join. So it was multitasking that you did right now, and you didn't even realize it because it was more creative form में, right? Then again, I think ये तुम लोग this is more of like we have different therapy sessions and यही तुम because you're relaxed, because now you're happy, now you're content, you have no other thoughts. तुम्हारे sleep patterns भी better होने के chances है with this.
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, we had done all this thing in a square. I mean, this in square, right? So in any other motif we can draw like in a flower or something.
Yes, the main point joining that you did was going to be the same. We did it in a square boundary. You can take a circular boundary or an oval shaped boundary accordingly. So that is what we said, ki it has to be inside the boundaries. The entangle that we do has to have a boundary. So a boundary can be anything. Okay. Your line can go curve also, and then try doing the same technique.
But the inside process is the same technique, right?
Yes, inside process basically the joining of lines and the direction of lines that you're taking in is the same. Okay. Only the boundaries is what you can experiment as per your mindset. It doesn't have any kind of limitation with that. Even the entangling that you're doing, we told you a few. You can also experiment with your own directions of lines.
Okay.
Okay, maybe one going this way, another starting this way. ऐसा कुछ करके ना तुम लोग अपने खुद के lines develop कर सकते हो. So it is just stroke. It is just the stroke that you are actually planning. Okay, and try not using erasers for this.
Ma'am, see this once.
Oh wow! Yeah, the outcome. I can see the outcome has come very nice. So we would expect all of you all to just click pictures, and tag us with whatever you have done today. And also, if you're going to be trying ahead all of these, so do send us all those pictures. We would love to see them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you're clear with all the points that we are like benefiting from this workshop. And also, I hope you've enjoyed the workshop, and we'll be seeing you in the further workshops as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you so
Yes,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much,
Glad
ma'am.
that you loved the session. Nikita ma'am would like to conclude it for me. Okay, I am. Oh yeah, I'm getting comments. Thank you so much. We'll be coming up with
actually.
more exciting workshops like these. So hope you all join in.
I guess everybody enjoyed, and definitely next workshops, whichever we are planning, or maybe whichever we have planned, I feel everybody will definitely enjoy. Just see to it कि आप steps follow करो, आप थोड़ा उसको practice करो. If you are doing it on your own self, just try and tag us so that even we'll get to know कि कितना और क्या हो रहा है. Okay, we enjoyed this session with you all. You were very sporting and trying everything. It was nice. It was very nice.
Very
I can still see
exciting
some
to
good
see
pictures. I can see
everyone.
Seher's picture also. It's so nice.
We were very excited to see your outcomes actually. Everyone was so excited to show it to us also, like on the camera.
Very nice.
Oh yes, nice. Yes, nice. So I think all of you are clear with the technique and you can experiment with a few more. So this or this, okay or superb?
Okay, ma'am. Superb.
Superb.
Yes, ma'am. Superb. Very superb.
Awesome.
और mind blowing.
Oh wow, this is so nice. ये वैष्णवी का भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Guys,
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
send us pictures so that everyone can see what you've done for the workshop today.
You can complete it and then you can tag us.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sure.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the tagging ID also, if you tell them, it would be.
You can tag on INR Divashi on Instagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye,
Take
guys.
care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, guys.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, nice, Shweta.